Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can cancel your Everyplate subscription. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap on a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.everyplate.com. So once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Everyplate where you need to get logged in first. So now simply tap on your profile and go to the settings option. So once you tap on settings, tap on check out our FAQ. So once you tap it on, you will end up in this kind of interface. So all you need to do is simply scroll down and tap on contact us. So once you do this, you need to scroll down and tap on ask any questions. So after doing this, a virtual assistant will appear on your web browser. So simply type in delete my subscription. So once you have typed it in, you will get an option on your screen to either delete your subscription or your account data. So simply tap on cancel subscription and then you can get the assistant of your Everyplate assistant by talking to an agent. So simply tap on talk to agent and now you have to follow the on-screen prompts that is given by the agent to you. So once you follow all the on-screen prompts given by the agent to you, you will be able to delete or you can simply cancel your subscription on your Everyplate. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.